Here is a beginner-level store manager quiz that covers inventory and stock management, customer service excellence, and sales performance and revenue growth. Let's go. Question 1. The process of keeping track of stock levels to ensure product availability is called A. Inventory control, B. Demand forecasting, C. Sales planning, and D. Logistics management. Answer: inventory control. Question 2. What is the main goal of inventory management? A. Improve employee engagement. B. Reduce costs and avoid stockouts. C. Enhance store appearance. And D. Increase supplier influence. Answer: reduce costs and avoid stockouts. Question 3. Which of the following is an effective inventory management practice? A. Overstocking all products. B. Ignoring slow-moving items. C. Conducting regular stock audits. And D. Placing orders randomly. Answer: conducting regular stock audits. Question 4. What is the best way to prevent stock shrinkage? A. Implementing theft prevention measures. B. Keeping excess inventory. C. Ignoring security protocols. And D. Reducing product variety. Answer: implementing theft prevention measures. Question 5. What is the term for products that do not sell quickly and occupy storage space? A. Fast-moving goods. B. High-demand products. C. Dead stock. And D. Core inventory. Answer: dead stock. Question 6. What is an essential factor to consider when placing inventory orders? A. Store layout. B. Sales trends and demand forecasting. C. Employee satisfaction. And D. Marketing campaigns. Answer: sales trends and demand forecasting. Question 7. What is the main purpose of a point-of-sale (POS) system in inventory management? A. Employee time tracking. B. Managing store security. C. Providing customer feedback. And D. Automating stock updates after each sale. Answer: automating stock updates after each sale. Question 8. Which of the following is a key element of excellent customer service? A. Responding promptly and professionally. B. Ignoring complaints. C. Arguing with customers. And D. Limiting customer interactions. Answer: responding promptly and professionally. Question 9. Why is it important to greet customers when they enter a store? A. It prevents shoplifting. B. It increases employee satisfaction. C. It creates a welcoming atmosphere. And D. It slows down customer movement. Answer: it creates a welcoming atmosphere. Question 10. What should a store manager do if a customer complains about a product? A. Ignore them. B. Listen actively and provide a solution. C. Ask them to leave the store. And D. Blame the manufacturer. Answer: listen actively and provide a solution. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of these contributes to a positive shopping experience? A. Limited product availability. B. Poor lighting and store organization. C. Long checkout lines. And D. Helpful and friendly staff. Answer: helpful and friendly staff. Question 12. How can a store manager improve customer retention? A. Offering personalized recommendations. B. Reducing product options. C. Increasing store hours without service improvement. And D. Ignoring customer feedback. Answer: offering personalized recommendations. Question 13. What is an important factor in handling customer inquiries? A. Giving vague answers. B. Being knowledgeable about store products. C. Avoiding eye contact. And D. Speaking softly so customers can't hear. Answer: being knowledgeable about store products. Question 14. What is the best way to handle an angry customer? A. Raise your voice to match theirs. B. Ignore them and walk away. C. Stay calm and offer a solution. And D. Tell them to shop elsewhere. Answer: stay calm and offer a solution. Question 15. Which of the following is a key factor in increasing store sales? A. Improving product placement and promotions. B. Keeping outdated inventory. C. Ignoring seasonal trends. And D. Limiting customer service. Answer: improving product placement and promotions. Question 16. What does upselling mean? A. Convincing a customer to buy a more expensive item or additional products. B. Selling products at a discount. C. Offering a refund to a customer. And D. Recommending only the cheapest products. Answer: convincing a customer to buy a more expensive item or additional products. Question 17. What is a good way to track sales performance? A. Ignoring daily reports. B. Using sales data and analytics tools. C. Guessing customer preferences. And D. Limiting store promotions. Answer: using sales data and analytics tools. Question 18. Which of these can help increase store revenue? A. Ignoring customer reviews. B. Limiting payment options. C. Creating effective promotions and discounts. And D. Reducing store visibility. Answer: creating effective promotions and discounts. Question 19. How can a store manager motivate sales employees? A. Offer incentives and recognition. B. Give them fewer responsibilities. C. Ignore their performance. And D. Reduce training programs. Answer: offer incentives and recognition. Question 20. Why is customer feedback important for sales growth? A. It discourages employees from working harder. B. It decreases store performance. C. It only benefits online businesses. And D. It helps understand what customers like and dislike. Answer: It helps understand what customers like and dislike. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.